Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing UAG watch straps for the Samsung Galaxy Watch. These are the boxes. In India, they are priced at 3,600 rupees and you can buy them directly from the official seller, TickyTech.com. And if you use their TickyTech coupon code, you can get up to 7% of discount. And if you try out their social widget, you can get up to 10% discount. These straps are available only in two colors, Slate Orange and Black Orange. And we have both the colors. Now here's the box packaging. It has a preview on the front, slate orange color, says UAG here, and here it says civilian straps, designed for smartwatches with 22mm Lugs. So you can use these straps for any watch with 22mm Lugs. On the back side we have the pricing and some more specs, and few highlights like antimicrobial soft touch silicone, stainless steel custom hardware, and it's compatible with all these watches and basically any watch that supports 22mm Lugs. Now with that said, let's get on with the unboxing. Well, it's a pretty simple packaging. Now these are the straps. Let me just put them onto the watch. It's easy to put them on. Just pull the small pin, place it inside, and that's it. This is how the watch looks with the new straps. It looks pretty cool. Now let me try it on my hand, and this is how it looks on my hand. Now here's a closer look at the buckle. It looks sturdy and tough. Now let's check out the black orange color. This is how the black orange looks like, and personally I like this over the slate orange. And once again, this is how it looks on the watch, and this is how it looks on hand. Now here's a closer look at the straps. It has got the UAG branding on the strap and even on the buckle, but that's pretty subtle. The whole slate orange or black orange color scheme also looks pretty good, and these color combinations can be used with any particular outfit. You can change the watch face to match the strap color, or else you can change the strap colors to match with your clothes. Overall, it makes it look much more cooler. By the way, on the inside of the strap, we also have the honeycomb pattern, which is like a trademark for UAG cases, and they are supposed to provide better rugged protection. So guys, these are the UAG civilian straps for the Galaxy Watch 46mm or any other watch that supports 22mm Lugs. Now the pricing of these straps is pretty high, but if you are looking for a quality product, then you can definitely go with this. So guys, what do you think about these straps? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you are planning to buy them, there's a link for that in the description. Do check it out. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.